My child, if I could reach through this moment and whisper to your heart, I would tell you this. God is saying, your faith moved heaven. Every prayer you lifted, every tear you shed in secret, every moment you chose trust over doubt, it was not in vain. Your faith reached beyond what you can see. Your faith touched the throne of God. The Bible says, the prayer of a righteous person is powerful and effective. God whispers, do not underestimate the power of your faith. Do not doubt the seeds you planted in prayer. I have heard you. I have answered you. I am moving on your behalf. So today, take heart. Stand firm. Know that your faith has opened doors, changed circumstances, and brought my power into your life. Keep believing. Your faith has moved heaven, and greater things are coming.